Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 9, and name of the chapter 9 is the housing and clothing. Chapter 9, housing and clothing. Housing and clothing. Name of the chapter 9 is the housing and clothing. Yesterday I taught you two types of houses are there, and first one is the temporary houses, means kacha houses, pakka houses, temporary houses, and yesterday I told you what is igloo. Houses made of snow are called igloos, and an igloo is dome shaped with a long narrow passage just like a tunnel. And I will start from here. Clothes. What is clothes? Clothes. We need clothes to wear. Clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain, and clothes also protect us from the dust and insect bites. Why do we wear clothes? Because we need clothes to wear, and it protect us from heat, from cold and from rain, and cloth protect us from also insect bites. And we look decent and smart in clothes. We look decent and smart in clothes. And we wear cotton cloths in summer. Why do we wear cotton cloths in summer? Because it absorbs sweat easily, and cotton cloths keeps us cool. They absorb sweat easily, readily. We wear woolen cloths in winter. Why do we wear woolen cloths in winter? Because woolen clothes do not allow air to circulate easily, so heat of the body is preserved and we feel warm. We also use leather. To make clothes for winter, and we are using leather for making clothes for winter. And we wear raincoat. When we go out in rains. A raincoat is made of waterproof material like rubber or plastic. And we also wear gumboots and use an umbrella to protect us from the rain. And what have you learned in this chapter? Mud, straw, sticks, bamboo, wood, stones, bricks and cement are some of the materials used to build houses. And in plains the houses have flat roofs, and in hilly regions the houses have sloping roofs. And a good house is one in which people can live comfortably and safely. Cloths protect us from heat, cold and rain, and cloths also protect us from dust and insect bites. And more to know, the house is the place where we live, eat, rest, sleep, work and play. Clothing includes all types of clothes, ornaments, shoes, sandals, belts, etc. So this is all about chapter 9, housing and clothing. And now come to the fill in the blanks exercise. Exercise A, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one, early humans lived in. Early humans lived in. Early humans lived in caves. First one, caves. Early humans lived in caves. Houses are made of mud and straw. Kacha houses Kacha houses are made of mud and straw. Pakka houses are made of bricks and cement. Bricks and cement. A is house made of canvas. A tent is a house made of canvas. A tent is a house made of canvas. A raincoat is made of waterproof material. A raincoat is made of waterproof. A raincoat is made of waterproof material. So fill in the blanks. First one, early humans lived in caves. In first one you will fill caves. Second one, kacha houses are made of mud and straw. Third one, pakka houses are made of bricks and cement. And next one, a tent is a house made of canvas. Fifth one, a raincoat is made of waterproof material. Now come to the B. True, false. Second one is a true, false. Bricks and cements are materials for a kacha houses. False. First one is the false. First one, false. First one, false. Second one, all houses have roofs, wall and floors. True. Second one, true. Now come to the third one. Stilt houses are common in marshy places. Yes, stilt houses are common in marshy places. Stilt houses are common in marshy places. True. Third one, true. Now come to the fourth one. Woolen cloths allow air to circulate easily. Woolen cloths allow air to circulate easily. False. Fifth, cotton cloths absorb sweat easily. True. In this you will see that first one is the bricks and cement are materials for a kacha house. False. Second one, all houses have roofs, walls and floors. True. Third one, stilt houses are common in marshy places. True. Woolen cloths allow air to circulate easily. False. Fifth one, cotton cloths absorb sweat easily. True. So this is fill in the blanks, and true, false. This is fill in the blanks and true, false. First you will read this chapter properly. First you will read chapter 9, housing and clothing, and after that you will write date and chapter name, and then you have to write, first you will write fill in the blanks. First you will write fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks you will write, then true, false you have to write neat and clean in GSC copy. You will write neat and clean in GSC copy. And after that, when you have to, first you will read this 2-3 times, you have to read this chapter, then you will write exercise. Today only you have to write fill in the blanks and true, false in copy, and after writing this fill in the blanks, true, false in copy, you have to learn. If you will learn every day, then it is very good for the coming exams or next exams. And what is the tough spellings are there, you have to read, just like stilt, igloo, and bricks, cement, kacha houses, pakka houses, and temporary. then roofs, raincoat, gumboots, umbrella. Some spellings are there, you have to read. And then next I will tell, answer the following.